Create a square file with a white background. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the ellipse tool. Select Shape. Select No Color for the fill. Make the stroke color black. And make the stroke width 1 pixel. Create an ellipse. Make the ellipse the same size as the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Place the circle in the top left corner. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape again. Then press Ctrl+T. Place the circle in the top right corner. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape again. Then press Ctrl+T. Place the circle in the bottom right corner. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape again. Then press Ctrl+T. Place the shape in the bottom left corner. Select all the layers. Right-click on them and select Merge Layers. Select the Paint Bucket tool. Make the foreground color black. Paint these areas. Make the foreground color gray. Paint the area in the middle. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Then adjust the scale. Create a gradient map layer. Select the gradient. Add a stop in the middle, location 50. Adjust the colors of the gradient to change the colors of your pattern. And that's how you create this pattern.